If you just open Safari web browser and visit any website, and after that, if you find the text to be a bit smaller or larger, you may increase or decrease the font size by tapping on this double A sign. When you tap on that, here you get the option to decrease the font size or increase it. You may tap on it to increase the font size like this, or you may also tap on this and decrease the font size like this. So that's how you may increase or decrease the font size in Safari on iPhone. But that's only for Safari. What if you want to change the font size of your iPhone entirely? Well, that's something we are going to learn in this video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and in this video you will learn how to change font size of your iPhone so that you may increase or decrease the font size depending upon your needs. So without any further delay, let's get started. In order to change the font size on any iPhone, you simply need to go to Settings, and once you are in Settings, scroll down until you see Display and Brightness. Once you see that, tap on that, and this will open Display and Brightness settings on your iPhone. Here you see text size, so tap on that, and after that, here you get the option to increase or decrease the font size of your iPhone. You may simply drag this to the right to increase the font size. As you can see, the font size is increasing, and you may also drag it to the left to decrease the font size like this. And by the way, if you increase the font size to the maximum like this, and even after that you don't find the text to be large enough, then you may further increase the text size as well. For that, simply go back once again, and after that select the option that says accessibility. So tap on that, and this will open accessibility settings. Here you may further select the option that says display and text size under vision. So tap on that, and after that, here you get the option for larger text. So tap on that and then toggle it on next to larger accessibility sizes. So toggle on this, and then you get the option to increase the text size on your iPhone further. So drag this slider, and as you can see, as I'm dragging this to the right, the text size on iPhone is increasing. As you can see, the text size on this iPhone are a bit larger. So depending upon your preferences, you may keep the text size that suits you the best. And if you go back, here you also get the option to bold the text. So simply toggle on this, and you will see that the entire text on this iPhone is bold now. As you can see, we have just increased the font size and also make the font bold on this iPhone. So this is how you may change the font size on any iPhone and increase or decrease the font size on your iPhone. And by the way, if you want to learn how to add custom fonts on your iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.